Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting qualified coaching and signing a safety waiver. Do not improvise. Warm up thoroughly for 10-15 minutes, focusing on neck and hip mobility so you can absorb contact. Once warmed, practice simple grip and stance patterns with a cooperative partner, 3 sets per side, working light resistance to build timing. Make sure to communicate boundaries and tap protocols. This establishes the foundation, without practicing full-force takedowns yet. Move progressively. Start static repetitions, then slow flow, and only after success increase to live pace at about 50% intensity. You focus on entries, off-balancing, and rhythm. Drill each sequence for 4-6 minutes, alternating rolls. Once done, integrate breakfalls and controlled shoulder rolls, 5-10 reps, so you learn to absorb contact safely. Keep short rounds and rest. Pacing preserves technique under fatigue and reduces injury risk, while teaching the timing that underpins advanced maneuvers. Conclude sessions by emphasizing control and safe finishing. Practice holding positions and clean, low-impact transitions, then run one short round and record it for review. Once done, watch the footage with your coach and list 2 to 3 technical errors to correct next session. Small, consistent adjustments produce progress. If something goes wrong, sharp pain, loss of balance, or repeated failures, stop immediately, reset the drill, and consult your coach before proceeding. Safety and supervision are non-negotiable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.